At dusk, the blood-curdling screech of the cicada slices through the silence, sending chills down the spine of anyone nearby. But what most people don't realize is that these haunting calls mask a sinister secret. While cicadas are known for their eerie chorus, some species become ruthless predators under the cover of night. They stalk smaller insects, using their sharp mouthparts to pierce and consume their prey. The very sound that makes them notorious acts as a lure, drawing in unsuspecting victims. Their midnight feasts reveal a terrifying side to these summer icons.